how to team up with friends in Darkest Days. First, open the social menu and go to the Friends tab. Tap on Add Friend and enter your buddy's player ID or username. Once they accept your request, they will appear in your online list. To play together, tap on your friend's profile and select Invite to Party. Once they join, you will see their character model and the health bar on your HUD. You can now enter missions and open world zones as a team. If you get separated, use the teleport to leader function in the party menu. This instantly brings you to your friend's location so you can start the fight together without running across the whole map. Watch each other's backs out there. Like and subscribe for more Darkest Days social guides.